All right, guys. So today I have something very, very exciting for you. Maybe you've heard of mining, maybe you haven't. Maybe you've tried mining. Maybe you did it back in the day with the old school OG, the big mining rigs with Bitcoin, or you're new to it. Either way, if you're looking for a good mining platform that's going to be reliable and one that's trusted by the world globally, this is it. Saxai Cloud. We're going to jump into it, but before we do that, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own research, due diligence. Don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. All right. So first of all, what is this and what is mining? So it's an American blockchain company, and they want to have the world, and they do have the world's mobile mining platform. And this is breaking traditional barriers and making it accessible to everyone. So if you're not familiar with mining, basically what it is processors. These computers are doing a bunch of mathematical calculations and they unlock blocks. And that would get you Bitcoin back in the day. The problem is you would need a big mining rig. Maybe you've seen them. They're big, big computers and servers. And now we have racks of servers and it takes a bunch of energy. And it can push your electric bill up. The problem is also it's not accessible to everyone. The average person is not going to stack a bunch of mining rigs in their house. But most people are rocking a phone. So you can do mobile mining, which is the same concept, but with your phone. Now, we can see some of the highlights here. They've done quite well. And with this, you can optimize routine financial tasks. You can get strategic growth, and it works for you. Meaning that if you have a mobile phone, you want to do this, we'll see on the you can go ahead and start mining. And it makes it simple to do that. You can start decentralized mining in just a couple of steps. So what is that? First, you want to register. So you can come up here and register, grab it on your phone, Apple or Android. Then you can start earning points. You're just literally a few clicks away. Then you can control your account. We'll take a look and see how it looks in a second. But why is this so important? You might say, okay, well, why not just mine with something else? Well, this is committed to breaking that monopoly through mobile mining platform. It's risk-free. And how do you register? That's a good point. They have all the FAQs here, so you can watch the videos in your own space, in your own time, how to deposit, how to stake, exchange, all that. And if you're wondering what they've been up to, well, you can see them here in the media. Cryptocurrency, all their information. Plus, they have social media you can follow on Facebook, X, Telegram, WhatsApp, and YouTube. But I know you're really here to see this in action. So let's go ahead and take a look and see kind of what it looks like and what you can expect. All right, so this is the mobile view right here. Now we can see this on the desktop. So here's what this will look like. You'll see the free mining bonus here as we can see this right in action. So I think this is very interesting. We can see the amount of staking in days. So you can click on staking here, stake, I can run, and this is very intuitive to use. You can either click stake, run, we can see the stake records, we can see the profit, we can see all the information here. And this works just like a mobile app. We can also see home here, the bottom. And then we can see the CPU, how it's working. Now the CPU is what's doing all the mathematic calculations, all that important stuff, the device. You can also see team here. So you can refer people here with the data. So take a look, see how that looks. And I think that's pretty cool. If you have teammates, if you have people you want to refer, you can also see the task center right here. All the important information. Obviously, the social media is here. Their partners, Binance, Google, OpenAI, some really, really big names. Now, if you're not sure what to do, you can also get support here. You have the ability here to switch language if you want, and you get your notifications up here. Those are the main things with the site message. You can also see the device here. This is an iPhone. We can even see the CPU. Well, the equipment, what it's using. And the profit, I think that's going to be pretty big, the computing power, what you're getting. So you can actually see, just like you would, get Bitcoin back in the day, you can also stake and run here. And that is it in a nutshell. Last thing to know is you have the profile here with the authenticator, your email, password. You can set all that stuff up. You can also get customer service because, hey, let's face it, Everybody needs good support. And that is it in a nutshell. Definitely recommend checking out their social medias as well. But guys, if you want a safe, easy, efficient way to mine with your iPhone, Android, whatever it is you're using, this is it for you. This is Saxai. I think this is going to be the future of mining. People will be walking around with their phones mining, and you can get started today. I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.